Imagine your favorite hot chocolate drink transformed into a warm and comforting cookie. These are truly the perfect cozy treats. They have a slightly crisp edge but remain wonderfully soft inside with a chewy, gooey marshmallow treat in the center. Hot cocoa paired with
hot cocoa cookies.
Cheers!
Cheers! In a bowl, pour 3/4 cup butter, 3/4 cup brown sugar, and half a cup white sugar. Manually mix and then beat in medium speed. Add in the 2 eggs. Manually scoop and fold again, and then beat in medium speed until well combined. In a separate bowl, pour 2 cups flour, half a cup Catalina Tablea Rich Chocolate Powder Drink, 1/4 cup Catalina Premium Pure Cocoa Powder, half a teaspoon Easy's Best Vanilla Powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Whisk until properly combined. Combine the dry and wet ingredients. Mix well until all ingredients are well incorporated.
Use an ice cream scooper to portion the cookie dough to get even sizes. Lay them all on a lined baking sheet and make sure to space them out properly. Carefully ball and smoothen each cookie dough. Add 1 large marshmallow on the center of every cookie. And of course, we need to add some Easy's Best chocolate chips around the mallows. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. And ta-da! Every bite of this hot chocolate cookie is pure indulgence. Rich, warm cocoa meets irresistibly melts in your mouth goodness. The marshmallow melts just enough to create a soft, pillowy texture, perfectly balancing the deep chocolate flavor. Enjoy! This video is brought to you by Easy Bake. See you in the next one. Bye!